Welcome everyone. In this series, we are going to see about protein ligand molecular dynamics on GROMACS. Specifically in this video, we are going to focus on how to create protein topology in GROMACS, and we follow the MD tutorials website. First, we need to download protein PDB along with the native ligand. You can use the result from the molecular docking. So, go to the RCSB PDB website and search for 3-HTB protein. This is the 3-HTB protein, 2-propylphenol complex with a ribozyme. It has only one chain. First thing to note down is the ligand name and other ligand entries. The ligand ID is JZ4 and the ligand name is 2-propylphenol, and this is the 2D structure of the ligand. Other ligands are phosphate and BME. Now the PDB file is downloaded and it is present in the downloads folder. First rename this to the protein.pdb for easy in working. Open the file with a text editor. If it is not available, then choose Open with other application and choose Text Editor. You can also search for Text Editor and select it. Now the PDB file is opened. These are the atom records for the standard amino acid residues. This line TER shows that it is the end of the standard amino acid residues. After this, ligand and non-standard residues are present. All the non-standard residues are present as the het atom records. This is the JZ4 native ligand. And this is the phosphate ligand, and this is the BME. After this, the solvent molecules are present, which is water molecules. And these water molecules are also present as the het atom records. And finally, the connect records, and this is the end of the file. Now copy this file and go to desktop. Then create a new folder for MD simulation. The name will be MD. Now open this folder and paste the protein.pdb file. Next, download the CHORM-M36 force field from the Macron Lab website. For this, open this web page, step 1 of the GROMACS MD tutorials website, and click the link Macron Lab website. The link is provided in the description. Okay, the website is loaded. These are the 4 CHORM-M force fields. For the MD simulation series, I am going to choose CHORM-M36 force field for the GROMACS. As per the MD tutorials, when you click on this link, it will scroll down to that section and download this CHORM-M36 July 2021 file. This is the latest version. So now it is downloading. Then again scroll down and download this CGNSF CHORM2GMX Python script. Download this third file which says py3nx2.py, which requires Python 3 and NetworkX 2.3 as the dependencies. We will see how to download this NetworkX 2.3 later. Click and download this file also. Now the files are downloaded. So go to the downloads folder and copy these two files to our empty folder, which is in the desktop. Let us quickly see what is present in this force field file. It has a folder. Inside it, it has the required files for the force field. Okay. So right click and choose extract here. Then delete this file. It is not needed in future. That's all. Now right click in the empty folder and select Open in Terminal. The first command is to separate the ligand from the protein.pdb. Okay. JZ4 is the ligand ID as per the protein.pdb file, and next is the input file, which is protein.pdb, and specify the output file also, which is the ligand.pdb. Now the ligand.pdb file is created. Next step is to remove all non-standard residues from the protein.pdb file. So this command removes all hit atom records and saves as the protein processed.pdb file. Okay. Now new file is created, which is protein processed.pdb. Next command is to create the topology file for the protein. The GMX stands for the GROMACS executable file, and the PDB2GMX is used to create the topology file and give the input file, which is the protein processed.pdb, and give the output structure file also, which is the protein processed.gro, and specify the water model, which is SPC. You can choose different water model as per your needs. Now it asks for the force field selection. This is the executable and this is the command. Now from the current directory, the CharmM36 force field is present, which I had downloaded previously. So next from GROMACS, other force fields are also present. So totally 16 force fields are present. The CharmM36 folder represents the CharmM36 all atom force field. Give option number 1 and it gives 3 files. One is the topology file, which is topol.top, and another one is the coordinate file or the structure file, which is protein processed.gro, and the third file is the position restraint file, that is the ITP file. So these are the output of the PDB2GMX command. And these 3 files are present earlier. And these are the files that are generated from the pdb2 GMX command. First, we see the topol.top file. This is the topology file for the protein. It contains force field parameters, molecule names, charges, masses of all the atoms. At the bottom, there is the details for the position restraint file, then water topology, position restraint for water, topology for ions, finally system and molecule entries. So this is the topology file. This topology file is updated in every steps hereafter. Next is the ITP file, which contains position restraint entries for the protein file. Finally, coordinate file or the structure file, which has the X, Y, and Z coordinates for the protein file. This is the first step of the MD simulation, that is preparation of the protein topology. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you in the next video.